Allah is Al-Hafiz, the preserver. Think of this as the third wall of the fortress. Al-Hafiz is the one who guards his promise and he keeps you in his possession. And when the plan supposedly fails, he brings it all back to what it was always meant to be. It is he who preserves the heavens and the earth from collapse and the hearts and the souls from despair. And then the glorious Quran from corruption. It's when you sleep, وَدُمْتَ فِي حِفْظِ اللَّهِ, and you remain under the protection of Allah, from unseen harms and harms you'd otherwise see if you were awake, from the spiritual and the physical. So hifz is not just a shield from harm, it's the continuity of his care. The Prophet ﷺ said to Abdullah ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhuma, احفظ الله يحفظك, احفظ الله تجده تجاهك. Be mindful of Allah and He will preserve you. Be mindful of Allah and you will find Him ahead of you. And in one narration, the Prophet ﷺ said, تجده أمامك, you will find Him in front of you. يحفظك here means He will protect you from harm. In front of you means He will grant you His presence. And that's when protection and comfort come together. And from the means by which Allah protects you are the good deeds that you do for His sake. So your sadaqah protects you, your fasting protects you, your Quran protects you. And that's why Imam Hassan al-Basri rahimahullah, when he heard someone say, Fulan yahfadul Quran, so-and-so preserves the Quran, meaning he memorizes it. And he responded and he said, Balil Qur'ana yahfadu, rather the Quran preserves him. It's Allah's word protecting you, not you protecting it. And Allah's hifz is what you resort to when you feel all has been lost. It's why Yaqub alayhi salam could say after losing one child in Yusuf and about to lose another in Binyamin, فَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ حَافِظًا وَهُوَ أَرْحَمُ الرَّاحِمِينَ. Allah is the best preserver and He is the most merciful of the merciful. So we often forget that Allah wasn't only preserving Yusuf, He was preserving Yaqub for 2 decades. How? His heart, his mind, his faith, his sincerity, because this was also a trial for him. And just like Hajar, Yaqub knew that Allah never lost anyone or anything, even when other people told him to give up hope of his son ever returning to him. Al-Hafidh even guards the story itself. He preserved Yusuf alayhi salam and preserved his dream even in the midst of his nightmare, recording every single one of his moments for us to still read today. Nuh alayhi salam and his story of struggle were recorded even in the midst of his rejection. In fact, think of the people of Gaza and the stories that lay beneath the rubble. So Al-Mu'min gives you the faith and security inside. Al-Muhaymin gives you an encompassing fortress that He oversees. Al-Hafidh preserves you even when there appears to be a breach. And that's when you open the final door of